An iPhone X couldn't possibly be beautiful and useful after it stops working, right? Wrong. There are some works of art that deserve to be preserved. This is the Grid 10. Grid Studio reached out to me a few weeks ago and offered me a chance to check out their beautiful tech frames. How could I say no? Hey everyone, I'm Parikshit and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you an up-close look at the Grid Studio frame. Enjoy! I was given the choice to pick which Grid product I wanted, and I ended up going for the iPhone X. The Grid frame came packaged beautifully. Everything was well padded, and they give you these pins so that you can put it up on your wall. Now, let's get all the fluff out of the way. The frame itself has this beautiful paper packaging with this seal on the top. It really feels like this super premium product. Right then, let's get this seal off, unwrap it, and check out what's inside. Oops. Sliding off the packaging, and there we go. There's the beautiful Grid Studio frame. Peeling back the protective layer on the glass took me some time, and I also ended up doing it wrong, but here it is. I've been eyeing a Grid Studio frame for a really long time, and the fact that I finally have one makes me super happy. Having seen so many pictures of it and finally having it in hand, it's amazing. It looks just like it does in all the pictures. I love the very idea of just preserving a piece of tech as an art piece, something that you can put up on your wall and admire. The 10th anniversary iPhone is my favorite iPhone, and to be able to have one in a frame like this is just awesome. Let me tell you a little bit about the build quality of the frame. It's got these pins on the back so that you can mount it up on the wall, and the quality of the glass on the front seems amazing too. The frame itself feels really well built. It's this solid wooden frame, but as you can see on mine, I have a few scuffs on it, which is probably from shipping. Check out Grid Studio's website. They have a bunch of amazing frames, not just for Apple, but for game consoles and other devices. Though by far their most fully featured category is in the Apple devices section. They've got a bunch of products for you to choose from, everything from the original iPhone all the way up to the iPhone X. And if you thought it's just the iPhone, well, you're wrong. They've got the Apple Watch, the iPod Touch, the Magic Mouse, and these cute little blocks with Apple chips in them. Grid also has another section where they have a bunch of game console related frames, like the Xbox One controller, a Game Boy, the Game Boy Color, Game Boy Pocket, and a bunch of retro handheld consoles. They've got worldwide shipping, so no matter where you live, you'll be able to get your hands on a Grid Studio frame too. With the unboxing out of the way, here's a closer look at everything inside the frame. And that's about it for me in this video. Leave a beautiful Grid X in the comment section below and let me know what you thought of the frame. I want to give a huge thanks to Grid Studio for sending this out to me. I absolutely love it. And I also want to thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. I've got videos on tech and gaming, so if you're interested, check them out. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.